One sunny morning, Leo, the little explorer, walked into the magical forest with his glowing storybook. Suddenly, Leo heard a tiny sound, chirp, chirp. He looked around and found a little bird sitting on the ground. The bird looked scared and could not fly. Leo gently picked up the bird and held it carefully. Step by step, he climbed the tree to reach the nest. The little bird was safe again. Its mother flew around happily. Leo smiled as he watched the birds together. Helping others makes every adventure special.